ScruffPack, how well it's your boy, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I bring you guys more of the action-packed adventure of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. This is part 3 of our series. Hope you guys have been enjoying everything so far. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get the action started.
Previously on Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart.
Damn, that's a blimp.
Looks like I touched a nerve.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet.
Look at his fur. Oh.
Sorry for all the jostling around earlier.
Alright, it's time to play some Rivet.
Taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
See what she's all about. She got a pixelizer. Does she get the same guns? Oh, hey. Looks like it. She can already phantom dash, so that's cool. Thought it was gonna attack me or something. Oh, so everything I get for Ratchet, she automatically has. Okay.
Great! There's a secret right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. Got a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mortz's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough.
Oh, look who it is!
Oh. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Who doesn't love a day in the sun? Rooting your enemies into the ground with the topiary sprinkler.
Oh, that's cool.
Spun a turret, then warps your foes into defenseless, trimmable edges.
Alright, I'm with it. What else we got? Oh, I don't have enough for either of these. I think I seen this last time.
That contains energy so powerful.
Is that final flash weapon? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna get that next.
More power is always a good thing. Leaving so soon? I cannot push my wares in these conditions.
Needle wasps!
All kinds of crazy things over here. Back up. Oh! Better back it up. Oh! Threw the monkey right in the water. Did he come out? No, he didn't. Oh no, it's a regular bomb. But that was fun guy. There we go. Back up.
You dispatched them quite capably.
That speedle gun.
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
Runs into that rift thingy.
Interesting. You must have a rift tether in your glove, too.
Looks like I do.
Alright, smarty bot. What is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
How do you come up with this stuff? Hey, it's
Oh,
Maynard,
he's missing the arm. I
Mortis'
forgot.
Hyperbot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speedle.
Okay, okay.
Don't hide! Ugh.
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Hello there.
Aha.
Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
Oh, we just here, huh?
So cool!
Uh-oh. We got a Galactic Ranger helmet. Can I just... Uh-oh. Armor pods. You found an armor pod. These grant a permanent boost whether you equip them or not. Collect more by completing pocket dimensions, exploring planets, or completing optional content. Change your appearance by pressing X to equip armor. Press square to customize equipped armor color. Oh, we can change the color. What? Look at this. First of all, I forgot we even had this. It's pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, she fly. She fly. I wonder if she take this off when there's cutscenes. All right, where's the start the nest again?
Maybe Maynard can lead me to the Morts.
I'm over here to get some money. Oh, it went away. That was actually I didn't even throw him. Probably be quicker if I was on the Speedo. How the hell? Okay, so maybe I do need the Speedo. Is there a way to get out of that though? I might just go all the way around because I want that money down there. Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Don't jump or nothing, so I don't know how this is gonna work. Aha! Speed boost. Aha!
Now, if we could get away from this acid.
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts!
Oh. Hey, level up. Hold on when I launch off ramps. Yeah, get out of here. I will. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Is that all of them? Alright, let's do it. Woo!
Excuse me!
Look out!
Oh.
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Sometimes I don't crash.
Stop! There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
Oh, it comes off. Okay. To show some
They
emotion.
are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends.
Alright, you ain't gotta be mean about it though.
Don't want to test my number skills, Squirt.
Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax. Tell us where your friend is.
Where are these doofuses coming from?
Perhaps they were sucked through the dimensional vortex as well.
Oh, gotta back it up. Oh, accidents. Okay, we'll just do that. Ah! Level up. And one more? What's the last one at?
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. The next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we're not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
Everybody named Mort. That's cool. So she actually takes the helmet off and stuff. Let me see. Level map, highlight icon, press X. Okay, cool, cool, cool. It looks weird without the outfit. Yeah, she gonna rock all of it. Fuck it.
Enemies not getting the point? Hit them
Ooh.
over and over again with the ricochet.
So this Ricochet talking about.
Ricochet! Pull the fire trigger to shoot it at your useless enemy! Oh my! And then it will pop back up next to them!
Oh damn.
Pull the fire trigger to hit them again! And again! And again!
Like the spirit ball. Okay, okay, okay. Well, I got enough of this, and I think I want to buy that. So,
Buy it while you can, sweet cheeks.
lightning rod. Oh, I can't even look at it yet. Let's do
You
that.
will be missed, sweet thing.
That shit cool. And this ammo.
How's it floating, Maynard?
Oh. I think we're good. Alright, to the portal. Oh, make sure there's nothing I can, you know what I'm saying?
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Oh, snap.
Greetings! Welcome! How
Not
did you
Gary.
get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup.
Dang.
Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax. Became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the dimensions?
I mean, sure.
And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, we'll begin to repair this anomaly.
Let's do it. Oh, almost did not make it. Well.
Now, enter the meta-terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
I feel like things are slowly starting to make sense. Dimensionally speaking.
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier.
Ah.
Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
Let me see. Oh, I gotta swap it. Oh wait. How do I take it out of here though? That's not good. How do I like stop them from using it? This ain't it. Alright, hold on, wait a second. Can I call it back? Come back? Get off the. Alright, so I don't know how to. How do I get the orb back? Come back to me. Is a skip puzzle? I don't want to skip puzzle. I want to figure this out. But I need to figure out first how to not. How do I come back? I don't.
Wonder if some extra speed could help my possibilities cross this gap.
Yeah, but how do I get this orb from over here to do the extra speed?
Hey.
Oh, I don't know what I did. All right, hold on. That's not what was supposed to happen. Okay, hold on. All right, let me. Okay, cool. Come back. Boom. All right, bet. Boom. And boom. All right.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
All right, cool. So let's figure that out. Oh, I gotta get them back up here. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me speed boost y'all. And then
outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I am cautiously optimistic. I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
The words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
alright, so let's
If
see.
I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
Alright,
I
so
wonder if I will be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you.
whee. Alright, so we have, and then I need you guys to go this way. And this will be a speed boost there. How do I get to it? Right here. Nice.
That's it, Clank! You've repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
Whee!
So then I says, listen, Mort. You, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Oh, Lord.
You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and I...
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
Just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
Let's do it.
What are we going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
Well, all sails are fine, honey.
Next stop, hideout. Just have to lower the bridge somehow.
Oh, no. What's this? Oh, yeah. Kamehameha out here.
Hi! You sure are one big grunthor.
Oh, did it not work? Oh, he's right there. I should. Oh!
You're a stubborn grunthor, too.
I love my job.
Nope. That's right. Get pixelized. Oh look, just wait. I'll make my way over there in a second. You need? Hold on. You know what?
miles within range.
Raise the bridge to your hideout. But the controls to lower it are over there on that side.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over.
Aha! Like this.
Your rift tether, yes. Try aiming at a rift.
That was fun!
Whee! Ow. Oh. See, using a wrench is one thing, but this hammer, something else. Hey, relax, relax. It's not about you. Yeah, you go ahead and leave. I don't think I'm doing anything to this shit. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna keep shooting it. Ah! Ow! Alright. Wait a minute. Excuse me. Where's Mr. Fun Guy? Go ahead, help me out real quick. Ooh, I needed that. And
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolt.
I do as well.
whee! She out here moving and grooving, dog. Good. Maybe good.
Alright, now to lower the bridge.
Hammer crank.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Rivet. We just finished locking down.
Nice.
Come on, bridge, seriously?
Alright, now what?
There has to be another way across.
Oh, haha.
I may regret suggesting this, but
Oh, don't worry.
what about the Speedle?
What about it? Oh.
Come here, Mr. Speedo. Let's do this.
Let's go! Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
Oh, it's right there. I was like, where is it at? Oh, whoa. Alright. Pixelizer.
We both know how this is gonna end, big guy.
Ooh, not nice, not nice. Launch these until, you know what I'm saying, you leave me alone. Ah! Ah! Okay, no more. Talk to Kamehameha. Whoa! Ooh, safe. I better back it up. Almost. And lastly, some more pixelizer. And oh, you guys back up. Leave it alone.
And now for my final enemy, the Mortz's pressure locks.
Oh, these. Let me collect my coin first. I'm all about the money. I get it?
It
No.
appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, morts are funny like that.
It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep.
Oh,
morts are
I'm done.
funny like that.
I am done. I'm sorry.
Time to
Oh,
find out
no!
about
Oh,
you.
never mind. I'm good. Alright.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Alright, let's try to get back. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. Hey, we're good. Woohoo!
Home sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing, especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am not. I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City.
Let's do it.
Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax.
Like he's been saying this entire time.
Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying repeatedly.
Mm-hmm.
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
You think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Don't look good.
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
no.
Dang, to take Clank? Lord.
Hey, that's my annoying robot!
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
It's not nice.
I'm coming!
I'm speed boosting. On my way.
That Seekerpede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Oh, there's a ramp. Oh. Alright, hold on, another ramp here. Aha!
Flight stabilizer. There's the flight stabilizer.
Ooh. No, that hurt. It's time for a boss battle!
So excited for annihilation.
Wait a minute, hold on. Let me...
Give me back my robot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Relax, relax.
The Emperor's got some weak standards, and that's all you got.
You know, I saw it, and I decided not to dodge it.
How delightful!
And look.
No, you're not getting away from...
Oh no, we need Fungi to help me out. Go ahead and take care of them for me real quick. And some of that. Oh, you gonna fight? Okay, okay. Let's get the final flash gun. You missed it that time, homie. Reading you like a book. Another one.
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me.
Should I take it slow?
Gotta save bolts.
Wait, she had her own robot. That's what she was calling. I'm gonna run into it. Let me slow it down a little bit.
I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
Excuse me. And lift off.
Your destruction
Oh.
is most definitely assured now.
Bring it.
Take this one. Remind me. One of these and I'm gonna reach.
Let me drive that thing.
If I'm not doing this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and use this.
A present from the Emperor.
Oh. Oh, I was like, what's gonna happen first? Perfect.
This is unfortunate.
Dang.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship. By the way, how about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Let me check this real quick.
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Nice, nice. All right.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
Alright, ScruffPack, that is all the time we have for today's episode. This was part 3 of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I hope you guys have been enjoying the playthrough series so far. I'm loving the game. My favorite part of this episode in particular was when Clank hopped into the dimensions between dimensions to solve puzzles and keep the anomalies from collapsing. But I'd like to know, what was your favorite part of this episode? So leave a like and that comment down below. And also, don't forget, subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss when a new video goes live. You guys can catch me on my socials. I'm on Twitter, IG, and TikTok. I will provide those links down below. video. And if you want to hop in the Gilded server with the rest of the ScruffPack community, that link is down there as well. I do stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/IamScruffyWolf. And we also have some new merch. It's called Howl at Your Boy line. Check that out on ScruffyWolf.live/merch. All those links will be provided. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video again and tune in for the next one. I'll catch y'all then. Later.